What'd you say your name was?
Desmond Doss.
Hey, knock it off! Try to sleep there.
Why the hell are you still here?
Still more wounded out there, Sarge.
I'll go with him.
You know you're fighting out of your weight class with her, don't you?
Yes, I do. Don't tell her that.
She'd be much happier with a man like me anyway.
Yeah, until she got to know you.
I'm scared.
No, don't you do that! Come on!